Hello everybody, good afternoon to you all. See, videos are already given. Time till Monday. Time till Monday is very bad. So, the video links are not working. No, you cannot say that check your connection. If the video links are working for... See, I am telling you to go with video links, and why are you talking about PBL app? Exams are going on. Can't see the videos means? See, you all said that videos are accessible, right? Team, you have to log in via your Wipro account. You have to give your Wipro ID to log into your Teams. See, if at all you are not finding the videos, you have to just refresh, log out from Teams and try it. Or maybe it should be some network issue from your end. Videos are working fine. Okay, yeah, thanks. That's what. If some of you are not able to see videos properly, that means it is the network issue from your end. Gaurav, exams. I understand. But, try to work on it at least on Sunday, so that Monday we can start with Java. Okay? So, please continue with... So, yesterday we have discussed about Selenium till parameterization. Have you all finished till there too? So, Kumar Kant Chowdhury, yes, you can share your screen. Yes, I will allow you to unmute. So you can unmute from your end, Kumar Kant.
Hello ma'am, is it visible to you?
Yes, visible.
Ma'am, actually I had just done the basic of the web driver, Chrome driver programming, ma'am, but it shows error to me, ma'am.
So what is the, show me, it is in which project? TC1_launch web browser.
Yes, ma'am.
No, first show me it is in which project. You have 4 projects.
Ma'am, Selenium demo.
Selenium demo. Expand that. Selenium demo. Double click on it. Double click on SRC. SRC demo.
Ma'am, this one.
Okay. What happened to the package statement? Why did you delete that package Selenium demo statement? You're not
actually,
supposed to.
Ma'am, I had written that package statement, but since it is showing the error, that's why I deleted that.
No. If the class is sitting inside the package, you have to give that package name. Yes.
Okay.
Give the same name. I think Selenium S is in lowercase. Do the same.
Yes.
Selenium_demo. Semicolon. Save. Okay, right.
I'm showing failed to load the class.
Logger implementation, Chrome driver started. So is it starting Chrome browser or not? Because you have shared only Eclipse, your browsers are not visible.
Yes, ma'am. It is not. Browser has. Yes, ma'am. Now it is started.
Started, all going good.
From the errors which are coming.
No, in the browser has launched or not? That is what I'm asking.
Yeah, browser has launched.
Okay, so still it is running. That's it. That's it. Continue with the remaining steps.
Okay, ma'am.
Try to open the application and try to do the remaining activities. Sign in, sign out, and see whether it's okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Why didn't you work
Ma'am,
on it yesterday? Yesterday we have seen few programs, right? I have also shared the demo programs.
Ma'am, yesterday I had tried, but ma'am, actually the also Chrome browser was not open that time.
Okay,
This
okay,
time
try
it was
it now.
open. That's why.
Fine,
Okay.
try it now. Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
right.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat that, Excel sheet part, ma'am, like opening from Excel sheet?
Share your screen.
Yeah, ma'am, 1 second.
Soumya, I have given you the link, Soumya. What is the problem you are facing while downloading?
Can you speak, ma'am?
Yes, Soumya, tell me.
Ma'am, I downloaded that, ma'am. After that, I tried to add in the build path of what I created
No,
at
no.
Selenium.
After downloading, so did you extract that folder?
Yes, ma'am, I extracted, ma'am. It shows file folder. I unzipped that folder, ma'am. After that, I tried to add to the build path, ma'am. It's showing that before we used Selenium some files, ma'am. In that class path, it's showing that, ma'am. How
Okay. Yeah, select the class path and add it. After adding, is any errors are shown?
Ma'am, it's not gave options to add, ma'am. It's showing before we added the Selenium files. It's showing Selenium files, ma'am.
Change the path. Browse to the location where you have that.
Ma'am, I can't understand.
You can share your screen, no problem.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to extract 2 times, ma'am, because if we, after extracting 1 time, if we upload, it is getting zip file. We have to extract it again, and we should upload. Then, if we add, it is getting added.
No. After
Without zip.
extracting, are you getting a zip file or again normal folder?
After extracting once, we are getting the zip file, ma'am. If we extract again, we are getting a normal file. If we upload that, we are not getting it zip.
Okay, so right, as you said, if it is a zip file again after extracting, then you have to extract once again. Correct. I'm not sure because I'm using a little older version. So team, if after extracting once still you see a zip folder, then you have to extract it once again.
If they don't know if it is a zip or not, after uploading, when we see that JXL jar, if they find it the dot zip, should take out and should remove that and upload again after extracting it, ma'am.
Yeah, correct, Shravya. Thanks for the update. So team, please verify if there is a zip, if that's a zip file or not. You can also get to know after you add that external jar. See the extension. If it is showing .zip, please remove that, extract again and upload. Okay. Thanks, Shravya, for the update. And others can. I think there were two candidates who said they wanted to share their screen. Soumya or yes, tell me.
Ma'am, could you please show us the use of Maven here? I wanted to know the use of Maven if it's convenient.
Yeah, we'll talk about Maven when we go to BDD Cucumber. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, shall I share now, ma'am?
Yes, I think somebody was sharing. The screen sharing was lost.
Yes, ma'am. Now I can share.
Yes, Nitin. Tell me, Nitin.
Ma'am, I have not understood that. Like you said, the opening from an Excel sheet, no?
Yes. So here J2E is hard coded. These are the username and passwords, right? So
Yeah, ma'am.
what we have to do is first you store those values in an external file. So create an Excel.
Yeah, I've created, ma'am.
Okay. Open that. So here you store that, first column you store the username, second column you store the passwords. Right, J2E, J2E. First and second cell.
1 second, ma'am. I have problem with my Excel sheet. Give me 1 minute.
Tirupati, today only for queries. Not really. If there are queries, we cannot proceed further. If the queries end up in some time, I can start the next feature of selling. It depends. Depends on you, in fact.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Right. Yes.
Actually, yesterday I had shared my screen for an error for the Eclipse for working out the Selenium. You said today you will be checking it out.
Okay, I think it was showing some exception, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I actually couldn't verify it. Can you share your screen again?
Yes, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am?
Oh, yes. Oh, it says there is insufficient memory for Java runtime. What's your RAM size? This is personal laptop?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you all are not giving Wipro laptops, I'm sorry. Yeah. So, what is your RAM size?
8 GB, ma'am.
8 GB, then go to your C drive once. I think you have shared only Eclipse.
Just a sec. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, click on this PC. Come to Eclipse. So looks like it is a different error today, right?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, yesterday it was the thread exception error, but now I'm getting a different one. Yeah, this was the error which I was getting yesterday.
Scroll up. What does it say? After Chrome driver. Command. Font is not.
Ma'am, you can zoom in.
Yeah, I'm zooming in. New session browser extension desired capabilities.
Bro, open your CMD and type Java dash hyphen version. First, check your version, your Java, which Java you will install.
Okay, just a second. What should I type in?
Java hyphen version. No, it's no. Just Java space then type version. Java
Hyphen version.
no hyphen version.
I've tried that with a hyphen, but
No, space hyphen version. Java
okay,
space hyphen version.
No, that's okay. Okay, open your task manager.
Hello, bro. Wait 1 second. What is the issue, bro? You got?
Just a sec. See, this is the error which I'm encountering, like the exception in thread.
Okay. Wait, run the program 1 second. Again, run the program.
Same error.
First error, I will know that what is the error. Error of API. Just open your XML file and you just paste one API name is. I can send you, and first error will be resolved. But second one, I think, is the JDK error. JDK error, but.
Bro,
But I get different kinds of errors. Like each time I execute the program, I get different errors. That's a problem.
Bro, I think you should uncomment that third line, bro.
Yeah. I didn't get you. What was it?
In third line of the code, you commented that line, bro. I think you should uncomment that.
Third line, public class.
Import. No. Third line, number 3.
No, that doesn't matter.
That won't matter because it's .by package. That is not
Because
required.
he didn't include those.
Yeah, I have
Remove those. Third line. No, bro, not that. Not that, bro. Remove those comments.
Which one?
That's 3 and 5 lines.
3 and 5.
Upper one.
3 is
that line.
3 is already commented.
Don't comment it.
It
Remove
doesn't
those
matter because he didn't include the down lines, no.
Uncomment that, bro.
They were asking you to uncomment that.
Okay.
You do one thing, go to task manager.
Yes, ma'am.
See here, there are a lot of chrome.exes which it is actually trying to open. So can you end task
Yes, ma'am.
on this chrome.exes?
It's the same. What should I do, ma'am?
Come back to your program. Let me read it. Selenium home driver. Scroll up.
In 12th line, there is error. A slash.
12th line is commented anyways. See, he just included just the steps for opening pet store. Scroll up. Okay, I think I have saved it.
I think these Chrome driver and WebDriver libraries are supposed to be they're supposed to be imported in the build class. I mean build path. Did he do that?
Yeah, I have done that.
Just check once, just check your class path part that you have done it or not. I guess that is causing an issue.
If that is not done, he will not be able to do that imports, right? He's able to import because the jars are available. So come back. So go to your Chrome driver.exe.
The file location now.
Yeah, file location. Copy that and put it in D drive directly. Is it here? Okay, now come back to your Eclipse. Remove that on the path and just make it D colon. Because folder names are including spaces, right? So escape sequences are not given. So try running this once again.
It's the same now.
Hello, bro. Yeah, this is happened. Wait, I'll go. Wait one second. Chrome. Yeah, some session running in background, bro. I think.
No, SLF, ma'am, SLF4, the same problem with me. I can resolve that. You just you go to the window and window. You just go to the window.
Yeah.
Help and Windows. You on the top. Eclipse. You go to the Eclipse and go window. Yeah.
Which option?
Preference. Okay. Type user interface. User interface. Okay, open. Ma'am, how can open the XML file? This the main problem inside the folder, ma'am. Just one API, the API name of SLF4H. Just paste the one script line, and the whole problem is resolved. That, ma'am. I can search the lots of things, ma'am, in this particular topic. Bro, you can ping me your number. I can contact you. Also resolve the problem. Open your Chrome, no problem. But this SLF is not working. The whole problem in this is in this inside the folder, ma'am. Open XML POM directory, ma'am.
So if we uncheck it, does that resolve or not?
No, ma'am, not resolved.
So what are we supposed to do? What did you do?
Ma'am, dependency. The problem is SLF4J. The failed. The one script inside the folder. You just simply copy and paste the inside the XML folder and change apply, and you can run the code. The code is working fine, ma'am. But
where did you write that code?
Ma'am, I don't know where is directory for XML. Just I ask, ma'am, to you.
Ma'am, basically,
if it is a Maven project.
Ma'am, we need to POM file, that is the XML file. There we need to paste this particular command that Gautam is saying, I guess.
Yeah, I understood.
Yeah.
But that will be created if it is a Maven project. But right now we didn't include any form.xml files, in fact, right?
But error is throwing, ma'am. The SLF4G is throwing that, ma'am.
Open XML page in form editor by default. So where did you update then? You have created form.xml manually and you have updated? Gautam?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, you can share.
Just a
Just hello, ma'am.
Yeah, yes.
This is an error. Basically, it's error that in the JDK file of the Java, I'm using the different stable version to Java. So my code is working properly. First, I run the code. You can see.
Yeah, that is fine. But where did you update that XML file? Where is your XML file?
Yes, ma'am. Just hold on a minute. I can. My code is working properly, but I find the error. We go to the error and we use user interface and open your XML. But can't show inside the folder XML, ma'am. This is a error. This script only for this script right inside the XML file, and the error will be resolved, the whole error. But I'm using the different JDK on the older version of JDK. There is no problem for that. But this error for only for JDK problem. This dependency is not in the newer version, so we'll be throwing the error. Then I talk to.
Then we'll do one thing. We can also do it using Maven. Just copy paste the dependencies in the chat. We will let him create a Maven project instead of simple Java project.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
So, Elvin, share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Just try. Can you give me the control? So ideally we will go for Maven project little later, but that's okay. We will just try it out here.
Yeah, regarding that JC is JC model. Can I drop in the details? Yeah, sure. Just now okay. Sachin, I cannot to I wanted to actually if I drop in the already. She will be doing that. And I'll schedule the sure. Okay, Sachin. Okay. I'll schedule on the Monday on Amol, okay? Okay, sure. Sure. Thank you.
I think it went for not responding. Just stop sharing your screen and see if you can bring it to back.
Oh, it's not responding, I guess. Ma'am, I think I'll check it out later, like by tomorrow, because everyone are waiting, I guess.
Right. So probably in between you can just try it out, and when we are about to finish, you can just update me.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So team, there were some questions in the chat. What is that, Sarthak? So team, you can just let me know. Anybody is having any questions with respect to Selenium WebDriver till parameterization?
Ma'am,
I have a small issue.
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I am
Actually,
unable to fetch the data from Excel sheet, ma'am. Can I please share my screen, ma'am?
Yes, please share.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah, visible.
Ma'am, this is the code. I have a
You
import.
gave book1.xls, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But there was an error. What is that? You're supposed to give double slash or what?
No, ma'am.
Then why is it showing an error? Mouse over on that error and see what is that. Why is that error? Add throws declaration. Okay, because it is files, right? Yeah. When you're dealing with files, you have to handle the exception or throw it. Click on add throws declaration. Select exception. Okay, fine.
For this also, ma'am.
Yeah. Add throws declaration. Select exceptions so that all exceptions will be handled. Exception, third one. Okay, that is also fine, no problem. Right. So you are fetching one from book1.xls. Go to desktop and show me book1.xls file. Check whether the extension is the same or not. Check the extension, right click, go to properties. What does it say? 97 2004 .xls or xlx? What is that extension?
XLS.
XLS only. Okay, fine. So whatever the file you are referring is the same. Okay. Now come back to Eclipse. Is that Excel closed or is it opened?
It's closed, ma'am.
Closed. Okay. Come back to Eclipse. Okay. What is the error you're getting?
Once I will run, ma'am.
Sure. What is your program? Show me that program. You're saying, okay, you're using Safari driver. Okay.
I am using my college website and my
Okay.
college's password and username. It's not.
See, you are giving it in double quotes. Whenever you use double quotes, it considers it as a value, but it is our variable. Yeah, you have to remove that. Okay, try it. Is the Excel closed or open?
Once I am checking the credentials, ma'am, what I have you.
దానికి ఏం టెక్నికల్ తీసుకున్నారు ఇది
Okay, ma'am. Now it's working fine.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Right. Oh,
మామూలుగా ఇది ఒకవేళ అమలు చేసినా కానీ నాకు ఆల్రెడీ ప్రొఫైల్ సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యాను వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ ఆఫర్ లెటర్ అని చెప్తాను.
yes, Vaishali. Yes, there's a question. Somebody, you can speak.
Ma'am, actually, I have a error. Like, I'm not able to import any of the packages, ma'am.
Share your screen.
Ma'am, you able to see, ma'am?
Yes, visible. That means you didn't add the jars. Go to project build path.
All the jars are added, ma'am.
All the jars are added. Scroll down. To cancel. See, you should never give your file name as an existing class name. What is your class name? WebDriver. But WebDriver is an actually predefined class. Okay. So right click on WebDriver.java. Refactor.
Huh?
Refactor. Rename. Give it as EX1. I mean, at the end, you just give EX1. Okay, fine. Anything is fine here. So whenever you create variables or this
Should I click
class,
finish?
next, click next. Next. Finish. See, all the references are replaced with WebDriver EX1. Okay, now go to that import statement, expand that import.
Which one, ma'am?
Line number 2, click on plus.
Yes, ma'am.
Import OpenQS selenium.chrome driver. Remove that statement, second import statement, line number 3.
Selenium spelling wrong, madam.
Remove the first import also. Okay, so here also it has changed. Remove, go to line number 10, remove EX1. Here WebDriver means it is the predefined WebDriver class. So remove EX1 there. Now you import that WebDriver interface. Also over on WebDriver. Don't type. Why should you type?
Yes, ma'am.
Select the import statement. Come to WebDriver. Mouse over on WebDriver. And select the import statement. Yes. Now the same way, mouse over on Chrome driver. Import Chrome driver. So mouse over on that import statement. Package open QA is not accessible. Did you copy paste twice in the path?
Ma'am, actually, initially I had copy pasted in the module, ma'am.
I think that is the reason I told to create a project without having module info.
Ma'am, or else should I delete the whole Java project and create a new one?
Yeah, so I'm just showing you create your Java project by unchecking this module info so that there will not be any confusions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This will not. So now you know the steps, right? So like adding jars and all, you just do it. Okay. Yeah. This is because of module info confusion.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, right. I gave back the control. You can stop sharing.
I'm stopping the share, ma'am. Thank you.
Sure. Yes. So yes, team, as many of you are requesting, I will share the Selenium recording videos as well. Omkar, meanwhile, you can share your screen, Omkar. Selenium recordings.
Ma'am, it's already 4. Can you jump into the topics, ma'am?
See, without finishing yesterday's topics, what you are going to understand today's topic? Yes or no? That too, these are something very new to you, isn't it? So no problem. We'll spend enough time here and then only we'll go to the next topic. But at least I will share the recordings with you so that you can go through.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Just a second.
Then shall I start recording? Okay, you can.
Yes, Omkar, tell me. What is your issue?
This failed to load class ORG.
No, but your Eclipse, your Chrome driver, Chrome browser is starting or not?
Yes, ma'am, starting.
Starting? Is it doing all the activities? Logging in?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you ignore that. Ignore that if you're able to, if you're scripting. No, but at the end, what is the error? You just tell me that. Scroll down till up. Can you give me the control?
Yes, ma'am.
So you're reading J2E. After that, connection reset, remote WebSocket listeners error. Connection reset. So you give that whatever you have got, right? From warning, you just copy paste that error in the chat. From warning connection reset. From that line till the end, copy paste the error text in the chat.
At the end?
Yeah, from warning till end. But otherwise, everything is executed, right? You're able to log in and the browser is also getting closed. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. Everything is.
Right. So at least you're not blocked, so you can just proceed. This I will check it later.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Just for my reference, you give it in the chat. Okay, so who else are facing issues with Selenium? Please let me know. Somehow links I'm not able to copy now, team. I will try to copy it before.
Hello.
Vaishali.
Yeah, hello, Siddharth. Yeah, Siddharth.
What is that? See, yesterday we have discussed on that multiple times. About that, if you want me to explain, you have to be specific. What is your issue? You can just share your screen, Vaishali.
Okay, he didn't ask any JD for that.
If what you wanted is only for me to just repeat the whole concept, then I will be sharing the recording. Okay, I'll share the recording link. But if you have any specific errors or issues that you are facing, you please let me know that. So anybody is facing any specific errors with Selenium WebDriver, then let me know, team. But how many of you have implemented parameterization successfully? Please update in the chat.
My issue is resolved, ma'am. Now it's opening.
It's opening? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Great. So done, many of you have done parameterization. Okay, good. So, okay, so the next topic is about wait statements, team. So implicit wait and explicit wait. So I would just share the links with you for you to understand implicit wait and explicit wait. This will go for a self-study. Just give me a minute. So team, this is for your self-study. So work on implicit and explicit wait. Try to understand the same. And I will just share one more link. So just try to understand what are these implicit and explicit wait and try to implement that in your current scenario. Okay. And so all of you have understood how to create the Selenium WebDriver script for login and logout, right? Now for the same application, pet store application, I want all of you to create the script for few more scenarios, which I will now just share it with you. So all of you can see the shared screen, team. All of you can see my shared screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. So for sign in, sign out is what which we have done in the demo session. Okay. So now for you to do on your own, I'm giving you register and sign out. This is the first one. And the second one is to sign in and go to my account and update your account. Okay, change any one of the details. This is the second scenario. Okay, and the third scenario is sign in, add to cart. Okay, and then sign out. These are the three scenarios. I'll just show you on the browser also. I'll just take you to petstore.octopus. Only 125. This is different. That's a different batch. Okay, what you're seeing. Okay, that is different, and this 570, this is different. Shala, and with multiple batches. Okay. So once you come to this, enter the store here. So when you click on sign in, you will also see a link for registration. Okay. So when I said go for this scenario, register, sign out, you have to open the URL, click on enter the store, click on sign in, and instead of clicking on login here, come to register now. Okay. And then fill all these fields. And each time you are running this script, you have to give a different user ID. Okay. User ID and email. Otherwise, at least user ID should be different. Otherwise, you cannot register with the same credentials again and again, right? So the same is applicable here also. Okay. Create the script. Okay. So that is about registration. And the same way you will find add to cart and my account also. So try to do this. Okay. Understood, team? In the same application, you will find register, my accounts, add to cart features, for which you have to create your Selenium WebDriver scripts. Okay. So these are the two things. What is the first thing? So this is one thing. And the second activity is I have given you the task to work on implicit and explicit wait statements. Okay, I have given you the links. And apart from this, for your reference, I will also share Selenium recordings. All the links I will just try to provide. Right now, I'm not able to copy the links. It's showing some error. So I'll just take few minutes and I'll share you the links, recording links for Selenium as well, just like testing concepts. Hope it is clear to all of you. What you're supposed to do. Right. So please start with it. I will be back in 10-15 minutes with the links of recordings and I'll share it in the chat. Thanks, team. Aditi Yadav, you can unmute and speak. What is your problem?
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aditi, tell
Check
me.
about that. I've sent you my ID, superset ID yesterday.
So I didn't get the update yet. I will let you know probably Monday. You just remind me on that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Because I'm able to log in my PVL app, but inside that I'm unable to log in and upload any of my works. That's why.
Okay.
Like I'm unable to log in the code completion tracker, and I'm using the right email ID and that password.
This into team. What are the credentials you're using for code completion tracker, team? Is it your superset ID?
Yes, ma'am. Superset ID. And
Superset ID, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Superset password ID. Also superset ID.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm using the superset ID only and that correct password, but it's showing invalid username or password again and again, and I've tried multiple times, so that's the problem.
For me also same problem, ma'am.
And ma'am, though I'm able to log in my PVL app, but not inside that. That's the thing.
Share your screen, Aditi. You mean that you are giving the same username and password, same superset ID as
Yes,
password
ma'am.
also.
Just yes, ma'am. 1 second. Oh, here.
No, but your password is having many characters. Remove the password. Type that superset ID in the password.
Again, ma'am.
Yes. You're giving the same number in password also, right?
Yes, ma'am. That has.
1455162. No, why
Actually,
it is many characters? What are you giving in password?
the password that I have used in my superset ID earlier
That is
to log
that
in
is
the
what
PP
I
lab.
am saying. Give the same superset ID 1455162.
Okay.
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 Right. Enjoy.
Ma'am,
Right.
I'm unable to reset my ADID password, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I think there were some suggestions from your friends.
Yeah, ma'am. Even there also, I'm not unable to track it, ma'am. At last, it is coming. Contact your administrator. Can you please check my ADID? My superset ID.
I'm not your administrator. Team, were you given some email ID, right? SLS support or something? What is
Yeah,
that
ma'am. I
email ID?
even mailed that also.
Okay, you have mailed it, right? You will get the response. Okay, you will have to wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, the task you have given now, in that, ma'am, there is a profile information. So, how to go for that, ma'am? Didn't
My
understand.
account. After sign in, you have my account.
Ma'am, actually, after in registration, there is a profile information. In that, we have to select like which language as well as which.
Okay. Okay.
Didn't
So that is a drop down, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So for drop down, you have to use the select class. Okay, I'll just try to share the sample code for drop down. Just give me a minute.
Also, ma'am, there is a for checkbox like that. So, for
Yeah,
those
checkbox you can just use click operation. As usual, you find the element. Okay, and just try to.
Ma'am, but how to go inside my account, sir, ma'am? How to go in my account? Then you register, ma'am.
Sign in. No, not. See, register is different. My account is
Yes.
different. So before you go for my account, you have to sign in.
Ma'am, I'm done. I'm just signing and sign out.
Sorry?
I'm done the sign in and sign out, ma'am. I'm trying to register, but how to go in register, ma'am, first?
I have shown you, right? If you click on sign in link, you will get that register now link. Instead of submit button, go for register now.
But register, ma'am, whenever you go to the inspect and inspect the register, so the link will be href link, ma'am, not for any particular ID and name, ma'am.
So what is your problem? You are not able to, you have no option to locate the element?
Yes, ma'am, I'm locate, but only for I'm locate the element, but only for href link, ma'am.
Okay, do that only. What is your problem? Share your screen.
And ma'am, one more thing. While registration, are we supposed to use parameterization or are we supposed to hard code the data?
You can hard code for now. No problem.
All right. And before getting into account information part, the user information that we need to put the data, there we are supposed to use the J2EE, right? Like whatever we were using yesterday.
Yeah, you can use any valid credentials. If you have registered, you have any different set of credentials, you can still use that. Otherwise, go with J2E. That is also. But better not touch
When we are,
J2E.
no ma'am,
Because
I'm asking when we are registering for the first time, then we are starting from account information. The user information part is not supposed to be used at that time, right?
yeah, yes. So if you are registering, you have to give new credentials, which are not already registered.
All right.
Right. Okay. Yes, somebody was sharing his screen. It is
Ma'am, done,
lost.
ma'am. I'm resolved that.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, shall I share my screen, ma'am?
Yes, Vishwanath. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have doubts.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have doubt.
Yes, Vishwanath.
I don't know Java, ma'am.
Vishwanath, who all are speaking? I don't know.
Ma'am, this is how I did, ma'am. It's running. Is it correct, ma'am?
What is that error you're getting?
I'm not getting any errors, ma'am.
No, but I see some error. Is that from a different program?
No, ma'am. Is this correct, ma'am?
See, you're getting error. How can it be correct?
No,
Go to
ma'am. In
console,
my
expand that, see the exception. What is that exception you're getting?
where, ma'am? Like I'm not.
Exception.
Ma'am, here Vishwanath has used linked text, ma'am, for save the information. But ma'am, whenever I do the inspect of save the information, it was showing that it was not a link. It was just like a name or value like that.
Okay, so save is not identified. Go inspect that save. I think you didn't share the complete screen. So if you have name or ID, you just use them instead of linked text. Or
Okay.
save, clicking on save account button. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, could you check out this error now, ma'am?
Please share your
Ma'am, are we done for the day or we are supposed to do some other work?
No, I just gave the links and I gave a few tasks for you. If you do that, that should be fine.
హాయ్ ఏంటి ఈరోజు తొందరగా వచ్చారు
Well, others, please go on mute or else I'll have to forcefully mute you all.
ఆఫీస్ లో ఉండాలి మా రూమ్ లో ఆమె 4:45 కల్లా రూమ్ లో ఉందంటే అక్కడ 4 గంటలకే స్టార్ట్ అయింది అని
After doing all the steps, what is the outcome for that website? Like, is that showing error or is that registration successful message? Any kind of output?
Elvin, it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
you who is speaking?
It's not me speaking, but I'm sharing the screen.
Okay, yeah.
Let's miss Sandman.
Team, if I don't know, I have 2 batches.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Is somebody else speaking?
Excuse me, ma'am. I have an issue.
Not excused. Let us just finish Elvin's. Elvin, tell me, what is your problem?
You were doing something, ma'am, like Maven file something previously.
Okay. Right. So, did you copy those dependencies?
No, ma'am, I didn't get it. Like, what should I do?
No, he has given in the chat, in fact.
Yeah, I found that code, but I don't know where to paste.
Okay, so add new line in line number 6. Bring that project down. I mean, go to line number 6. You include the tag dependencies. Open angular brackets. Write dependencies all in lowercase. Angular bracket. Not curly braces. Just angular bracket. Nagineni Penchal Divya, please mute yourself. If you are not able to mute yourself, please leave the call.
Ma'am, shall I give the control to you?
Yeah.
I'm asking
Dependencies. Did you give any typo there?
do you have any details? Actually, the total is is the only relevant experience and relevant mass is
And I think I'm not able to create a closing tag for the dependencies.
better opportunity for better opportunity.
Okay, now in between opening tag and the closing tag of dependent, click enter there, bring it down. One more. Now inside this you have to paste what Gautam has given. It's Gautam, right? Yeah. Yeah, Gautam has given it again. Include those dependency.
Just a second.
Yeah. Okay, click save.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so right hand side bottom corner you can see it has been building. So now remaining things are just the same, like how you're creating adding jars to the build path. Okay, and creating your Selenium script, you can do that now.
So should I create a new Java file, like source file.java file?
Just copy paste. You have the script in another project, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just copy that folder and paste it in src Java. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And you also have to add the Selenium jars.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try.
Do that.
Not Monday. I'll just ask you. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Hello, hello.
Yes.
I have a doubt in PBL app, ma'am. Hands on.
There was a lady who was asking some question. Who is that? There was a question
Yes,
from
ma'am.
some lady. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, my code is running and the application also opening, ma'am. After creating account, it's showing like internal server error.
That is because if you try to run multiple times, you have to change the user ID, username, whatever you are giving. You change that value and then try to run it.
Ma'am, first time only I got the error.
Share the screen.
I'm sorry, ma'am, I cannot. I'm using mobile phone, ma'am.
Okay, then connect from this your laptop and share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Yes. What next?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in PBL app.
Yes, Tarun, tell me.
I will share my screen, ma'am.
Yes. Buri Shrikar, yes. Fill all the details, Buri Shrikar.
Ma'am,
Yes.
and for the drop down list, what should we use?
For drop down, you have to use select keyword. Let me just give that code for especially for drop down, whatever you need to add. I'm just giving in the chat here.
And ma'am, the dependency code you shared that we have
That
to.
is not required. Not required. Not for you. He is specifically having some errors, so it's only for him.
Okay.
So, can you see here, team? So these are the two statements. which you have to add. Okay, I will just share my screen once for your reference.
Ma'am.
So can you see here, team? Can you see my shared screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the two statements which you have to use. So ideally, first you have to find your, that drop down object has to be found. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to pass it as an argument for your select object. So on the fly we are creating select object. Okay. So this is passed and then you are using select by value and you can pass Japanese, English, whatever values are there. So accordingly the value will be selected from the drop down. Okay. So the same two lines of code is what I have given in the chat. Right.
To find the element, ma'am, just we have to write the find element and click on that.
Yes. Find which you're talking about checkbox.
No, ma'am, I am talking about the languages like English and Japanese are there.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah,
said
yeah.
na before writing this, you have to find the element. So
Yes.
as previous, we are just finding the element
Yeah,
and
just
clicking on
finding
that.
the element by name. Yeah. No need of click. Don't do click operation. You have to use a select object there. So that is the reason. Just till identification is what we are using, but we are not clicking. Rather, we are doing a select by value. That is what written in the code.
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am. After
Ma'am, one
finding
thing
drop
is
down
when
box,
we
can I
are
use send keys,
giving
ma'am?
the username, at that time, username is supposed to be dynamic, right? I mean, it should be unique for each person.
Yes.
So we have to use ID there. I mean, we have to find it by ID, right? Or we have to find by name because ID was dynamic at that point.
Name by name.
By name. Name should be fine. We have to go with the static value, right, for identifying.
All right.
So yes, team others can leave, not a problem. So
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, after
Yes.
finding drop down box, can I use send keys, ma'am?
No, we are not sending any data. We are not writing any data. We are just
But
choosing from the drop down.
whenever I'm using that, the data is getting selected, ma'am.
No, but that is not the correct way, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, so you are saying that is also working for you, Karnakar, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
can you see
when
my
you give
screen?
different values, it is changing the different value.
Yes, ma'am. It's changing.
Okay. Great that you have found it. I appreciate you. But ideally, we have to use select by value or select by ID because this is a drop down, in fact. Okay. Right.
And also I'm using like keyboard movements, ma'am, like down, up.
Oh, is it? Okay. So that is basically what your select by will do.
No, ma'am, by using action class, ma'am.
No, I understood when you said up and down. So that is what you can directly use this select by so that you can use it much easily.
Like visible.
But good that you have identified a way to resolve it. Very good, Karnakar.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, this
Yes.
second hands-on, ma'am.
So Tarun,
Here they
yes.
asked to store variety of pets available at menu tab.
So Tarun, your screen is not yet shared. It is loading.
Let me share once again.
Right.
Ma'am, and also whenever I'm using implicit weight, it is saying that it is deprecated, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Can you see my screen? Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello, Elvin. Are you there in the call?
Yes, yeah, bro.
I wanted to suggest you a thing. Can you please share your screen?
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay, Elvin, can you go to your drive where you have stored the Chrome driver?
Okay, 1 second. Let me just share the entire screen.
Okay.
Yeah, it's over here.
Elvin, you do one thing. You copy that Chrome driver now.
Okay.
You just come back from there.
Yeah.
I don't.
Okay.
Yeah, now it is
Here,
visible.
here you are seeing Chrome driver for Selenium for Wipro, a folder
Yeah.
like this, no?
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Here, is there extra anything here? This is Selenium Wipro. What is this?
Yeah, that's different folder.
Okay, you directly paste Chrome driver here.
Yeah, I've tried that once. Yeah, already there's a Chrome
Okay.
driver.
You can you see here this PC tab here?
Yeah, where is it?
You go there and give the / once.
Yeah, I've done that.
Once you give that.
Okay.
Okay. Now you should give / and type Chrome there.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, are you seeing the second one down? Oh no, not that, not. Okay, okay. Copy this. Copy this. Ashlin down.
Okay, this one.
Okay, copy that and paste in your code once. It's just above here. Okay, once you save and try to run.
It's the same error.
Okay. I was also facing the same issue as
Remove
something
that.
called.
You anyways have it in D drive directly, right?
Yes,
Remove the middle folder name. Run, save and run.
Ma'am, actually, I didn't get it what to do after that Maven, ma'am.
Okay, you're doing the previous one only.
I didn't get it, like what to do later on.
Did you add the jars to the project?
No, I'm not getting the class path option. Like, for example, I should add it to the pet store project, right?
Yeah, right click, go to build path.
I should add over here, right?
Yes, you can click on add external jars and you can add your Selenium jars.
Use control, bro.
To control click.
పాస్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ
Yes, after this now.
కొనుక్కొని
Okay, so is your script errors at who is that speaking in this call or any other call?
That's some different person.
Pratiksha, please go on mute or please leave the call. Okay, you have added the jars, all the errors. Where is the program?
Over here, PC.
That is the one, right? Copy that package, selenium underscore, there is a package, right? Drag and drop it in src java. Not project. Yeah, just copy the package. Package selenium, selenium underscore, you have that you drag it to src/java. First one. Still up. Yes, leave it there. src/ yeah. Now get inside that. Double click on that Java file.
Yes.
It's opened. Okay, now try to run this. What is that it is saying?
The same error.
Same error.
I think you should connect with someone in team.
Is this Wipro laptop or sorry?
Personal laptop.
Only personal laptops, right? Sorry, I'm confused. Yesterday you have shared a code, error code. Is it the same code?
I couldn't share, ma'am. It was not responding. Shall I share it now?
Share this code once again. But you are sure that your Chrome version and Chrome driver version are same?
Yes.
Because this is with the Chrome driver.exe. Only when that is being run, that is when you are facing this error.
Actually, my Chrome version is 100.0.4896.75. In that it is 100.0.4896.60. Like sir had said, that's enough for it.
That should be compatible. Okay, share me the error. Share the error. Could not start a new session. Response code 500, right? Exception from there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've shared the.
Okay. It is with your Chrome driver only. So you have to change the driver.
Can we try it with any other browser now?
Yeah, you can do that. Try it with Edge browser.
No, can I try it with Firefox? Because
you can try with Firefox also, but for Firefox, the class name is Gecko driver.
Gecko driver.
Gecko driver.
Okay, and we'll be getting the same way the driver in the Google, right?
Yes, you will find its driver. Remaining things are the same. Just that respective driver, and when you say WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver, instead of that you say new Microsoft Edge driver.
Okay, ma'am. Let me try that also.
Try that and see. Right. Google Chrome options. Yeah, tell me.
How to identify the ID values are unique?
Inspect.
I'm like after pressing Control plus C plus Control F and Control V, how we can
Why
go
those
and
many controls? I didn't get you. Share your screen.
using mobile, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your problem? First, tell me that.
How to identify the value is unique.
See,
Like
that
ID.
is only when you run your script you will get to know. If it is a unique value, then that will be identified, and whatever operation you specify, like if it is a click operation, it will click on it. But if there are two values with the same ID value, if two objects are found, it will clearly throw the error saying more than one object is identified with the given so and so by name or by diet ID, whatever you give. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to read the error thoroughly to understand that. If the error is because of incorrect value. Okay, so team, it is 5:10. I have to just wind up. So just go through the Selenium WebDriver videos, which will help you finish explicit and implicit time waits, and also finish whatever the scenarios I have given today. Okay, so we'll catch up again on Monday, team. So try to finish these activities before that. Yes.
Ma'am, I have got 1 to 2 errors in a code. So, okay, then I will resolve it on Monday.
Okay. Right.